Right, let's talk about food because Facebookers love liking food on Facebook. What you're looking at is a comparison of different likes in different food types on Facebook. And you can see here that the winner is clearly ice cream. So there's twice as many people that are liking ice cream on Facebook than are liking fruit. So if you can associate your posts and brand with the foods that Facebookers like, you'll be in a much better position to attract new audiences. So you should use food as a way to bring the audience to you. Now have a look at this one. So this data is absolutely critical when you're building your marketing campaigns. What it's showing you is that media is a complementary product of Facebook use. This is showing the amount of likes on Facebook. So you can see, for example, that movies get an average of 14,000 likes. TV shows are getting an average of 12,000 likes, whereas, for example, government, public services, and local businesses are really not getting many likes. Facebook likes raise the emotions and passions, and this is what gets people to like something on Facebook. At the same time, readability also makes a huge difference to likes on Facebook. So, for example, sharing of content with reading grade level 2 is 30% above average of sharing, while sharing of content with reading grade level 15 is 16% below the average of sharing. Verbs and nouns also increase the sharing by 2%, whilst adverbs and adjectives decrease it by 2%. And not only that, but the day of the week has a huge impact on likes. So, for example, Saturday is actually 40% above average in terms of sharing. And then comes Sunday with 15% above average in terms of sharing. And the worst day is Thursday with 7% below average sharing, as you can see here. Now have a look at this branded page here. This is the KLM branded page. It's a little bit like a profile page in that you can have video, pictures, and wall posts. But with a branded page, you can do a lot more. So let me give you an example. So you can see here, just look at how Adidas has created a larger profile image to give them extra branding, extra conversion, and extra personalization of their page. This is something you can only do on a branded page. You cannot do it on a profile page. And have a look at this one. Look at how Skittles are using amazing, hilarious status updates to keep their user community engaged. So if Skittles were a disaster movie, the yellow one would be eaten alive in the first 5 minutes. Now, it's not going to be a marketing sensation. It's not going to go viral, but it keeps your user community engaged, and it's something that they can come back and read, every couple of days when they're just browsing on Facebook. And look here, look how Coca-Cola is not only highlighting the original founders, but they're also respecting and recognizing fans' content, and they're showing appreciation for their fan base as well. And when you are ready, you can talk to your fans, so you can make personal connections and help them solve their problems. And when you solve a customer's problem, 81% of them are more likely to stay with you, and 63% will recommend you. So that's almost a reason to actually want people to have problems that you can solve, because it gets you engaged with them and it makes them like you more. And you should also be using events to bring people together offline as well as online. So Facebook is not just about online, it's also about the offline events as well. But have a look at this. I really love this because KLM has really taken this to the next level, and they randomly surprise their customers by giving them gifts at Christmas time. And this is an incredible talkable content that you can really put out there. This is something that really could go viral. Okay, let's head back to our notebook. Key teaching: what users like and branding your page. Key takeaway: likes and brand pages are affected by fundamental human patterns. And the key instruction is engineering your likes and following the tips to brand your page.